Okay, another big question tonight is there community spread of the coronavirus in our state? Now, the Fed said yes at a White House briefing yesterday.
But Florida disagrees. In fact, the governor brought it up again during his news conference today. 8 on your side investigator Masa Saidi has learned the distinction is important.
Keith and Stacey, yes, it is important. Community spread means we don't know the source of infection, and as you're about to hear, the distinction impacts the plan of action.
Great.
The message from the White House was clear. Vice President Mike Pence and Dr. Anthony Fauci from the Coronavirus Task Force both saying the COVID-19 risk is higher in just 4 states, including Florida.
There are parts of the country right now that are having community spread in which the risk there is clearly a bit more than that. And you know the places, Washington State, California, New York, and Florida.
I will tell you that we're working very closely with California, Washington, New York, Florida, to develop community-specific recommendations.
For the first time, the Fed saying there's community spread in our state. That means in some cases, the source of infection is unclear. For example, someone gets the coronavirus, but they haven't been to a hot zone or come into contact with a confirmed case.
When you have community spread, you're obviously going to ratchet up the kinds of mitigations that you have.
The governor's communication director initially quick to respond, telling The Times there's no community spread, before sending a tweet late last night saying in part the governor held a conversation with Dr. Fauci. And, quote, Dr. Fauci emphasized COVID-19 in Florida is largely related to international travel, not community spread. But largely doesn't mean solely. 8 on your side reached out to the governor's office and the Florida Department of Health for clarification this morning. We wanted to know if there's community spread and what's being done about it. A short time ago, the governor saying he believes there's no verified community spread.
Because that 3-person cluster in Broward can all be linked to the cruise ship, that technically doesn't qualify as community spread.
So again, why is this important? Community spread means the virus is moving from person to person in our state, and that impacts how health officials respond to this health emergency.
Well, the governor made it pretty clear. I mean, he made a valid point. I mean, all these people had some connections, so community spread is not the issue here. But things change. Every day we're hearing things change, and the state can actually change its view as well.
Yeah, absolutely can, and we're going to be closely monitoring cases and watching for that as well.
It's confusing, though, to have the federal government say
very
one thing
clearly,
and the
infectious
state
experts saying there's community spread
in Florida.
Yeah.
Thanks, Masa. And if you have something you'd like Masa to investigate, call our 8 on your side helpline at 1-800-338-0808.